So this is a 1985 Toyota pickup truck with a 22R engine, not a 22RE, it's a 22R, meaning that it's carbureted instead of fuel injected. And the other day, as you can see, we replaced the fuel pump because it wasn't starting, and in the process we managed to do something to screw up the temperature sensor. Now, if you go online, it's like impossible to find out what the actual layout of the temperature sensors is for this engine. There's no photos, there's no videos, there's no diagrams that really show it, so we kind of did trial and error here. So the problem we were having was that the gauge was not actually coming up off of cold, and it turns out that what we had done, and when I say we I mean me, is I had knocked this wire right here loose. Now that connects to the temperature sensor, which is down in here. And Dad, can you come around and shine some light on this? Now if you look in here, you see where that white connector is, and the sensor is actually screwed into the block there, and it's a single spade connector. And the thing that's kind of confusing is that up here, can you come around over here and poke it in that way and shine on the green connectors? There we go. There are two thermo switches that go into the thermostat housing, as well as this vacuum switch here, and those have nothing to do with the gauge on the dashboard. So basically just wanted to make this video to show where the gauge sender is. Should be pretty easy to replace if you ever need to, because it's just right into the side of the cylinder block there. And that's about it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm going to try and leave a link to where you can get a new sensor, but I hope this has been helpful.